Hello everyone, welcome to ARCR Technologies Private Limited. In this video, I am going to show you how to create roles. From the dashboard, go to the administration. Tap on roles. To create roles, click on create. Enter your role name. Select your partner. Select the role type. Mention your comments in the comment section. Click on Submit. Your roles will be created successfully. Go to the permissions. If you want to view all permissions to your partner, then select All. Click on Submit. Permissions will be assigned successfully. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections, and if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel ARCR Technologies Private Limited. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.